right, turn off the lights. We gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I love when it's all too much. 5 a.m. turn the radio up. Where's the rock and roll? Party crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you are a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancing. Why so serious? So raise your glass if you are wrong. In all the right ways, all my underdogs. We will never be anything but loud. And nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is an exciting video. Today I'm unboxing my new iPhone 8 Plus in gold, 64 gigabytes, and hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. I did record in a mall, so I couldn't put the audio in. I just muted it because it is way too loud in the mall. And today I'm going to show you guys what's on my iPhone 8 Plus. I did this when I got my iPhone 7 Plus, so I thought it would be a great idea to show you guys what's on my iPhone 8 Plus. And yeah, enjoy! I organize all my apps in collages, so here are my first collage, which is tools. So I have Duolingo, I have Google Photos, Compass, Calculator, Google Translate, Live Wallpapers, which is an awesome app for live wallpapers. As you see, they have quite good ones. I currently do have one of theirs. Let me just clear all my notifications. As you see, it's quite cool. The ocean. I went for a beachy theme. It does have quite a bit of ads though, so I also have the TE tuner, which is great for people who love music and need to tune their instruments. I mainly use this for my trumpet, but I could use it for your voice. If you sing, I could use it for my guitar. And it also has a metronome. Also, if you need to know how a note sounds, you can use this part, and you can record yourself like this. And then the next page, I got a Fire TV app, which connects to my Fire Stick, so I can have my remote on my phone. And then I have the Wallpapers app, which is a great app to find your wallpapers. It has so many wallpaper choices, and they look so good. And I also have GarageBand, which is fun to mess with. And then I have my social media tab, which is Pinterest, Musical.ly, YouTube Studios, which is how I see your guys' feedback, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Skype, Bitmoji, Kik, which is like a texting app if you guys don't know what that is. And I also have Marco Polo, which is you say a message recorded like a video, and then you can send it to other people on the app. You can create group chats. And then I also have Snapchat. Everyone knows what Snapchat is. Just add me, screenshot this right now. And then I have Instagram. Go add me on there. Also add my dojis. And then my next tab or collection is my editing tab, which is iMovie, which is my main editing app. InShot, which puts the stickers like the thumbs up. And then I have Photoshop Mix is what I like cut out objects or cut myself out and put it on like a blanket background. And I also have Photo Shrinker, which is a really good app for people who upload thumbnails on their YouTube channel, because you can only have a certain amount of gigabytes in each thumbnail. So this one shrinks it down if your photo is too crisp. And then I have Cute Cut Pro, which is what I use to put like the phone on the side of me right now. It allows you to put pictures on the video, which is super cool. And I also have PicMonkey, which is how I edit my Instagram posts. It is well worth your money though. It cost like $1 to get the upgrade, which I highly suggest getting the upgrade. So it is so good. Here's a photo I edit. I edit all my Instagram photos, so if you guys want to see what you can do with it, just head on my Instagram and maybe like double tap and like them too while you're at it. And then I have the entertainment section. I have Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, which I love Apple Music so much. It works so well with Siri. I have HQ, which is like a live trivia game show where if you win, it pays you. There's like 12 questions ranging from easy to hard. Pokemon Go, I know it's quite an old app, but it's so fun to use. And then I also have iHeartRadio, and I also have the CW app, which is a great app, especially since I can watch The Flash, The Arrow, Supergirl, DC Legends of Tomorrow. Really good shows on there. I also have Hulu. And I also have my shopping section, which I have Walmart, Wish, Let Go, OfferUp, Starbucks, Amazon, and eBay. I also have my workout section. I have my Max Trainer, which is the workout machine we have at home, that it just syncs up with my phone and shows all the information that it collected. And then I also have Sweatcoin, which is a fantastic app. It shows all the walking that you've done today and it converts it into sweat coins. And then with sweat coins, you can buy stuff. There's sweat coin merch you can buy, find your perfect diet, home chef, control what you eat with diet sensor. And they also have stuff like big things. It has a iPhone X. So the iPhone X though, be walking all crazy when you to get that iPhone. And then there's also Samsung TV. It is such a good app. Highly suggest getting the app if you guys are interested. And then I also have the Nike training app, which is such a good app. It gives you workout suggestions of what you can work out to. There's different workouts depending on if you exercise a lot, so it gives you harder ones if you are a beginner. It's also a great idea to get the app too. I also have the health app, which I actually do use a lot because the Nike apps that I have connect to it seamlessly. And then I have the Nike Plus Run Club, which is such a good app. It tracks where you run and it has so many features. There's so cool things. There's guided runs and like it tracks your run and is such a cool thing. And it even has like a playlist for you, so if you want some good powering songs, this one is an amazing thing to work out with. And then I have the Catalyst app, which is my church, Catalyst Church. And we have 2 locations. You can choose like Phoenix or Glendale. I live in Arizona, so Phoenix and Glendale, Arizona. And there's stuff like, there's Easter Sunday coming up. There's, if you're new here, they have some cool info about it. Who are we? Some info on the church. If you guys want to check it out, this one will be also in the description. The Connect card, so they can connect to you and all that good stuff, so they can talk to you and you can talk back to them. And it's such a good app. And I also have the Cord Bank. I did get the upgraded one, so I do get more lessons out of it, but it is teaching you guitar. It is so fun. I'm currently learning the song Amazing Grace, I believe. Yeah. And it's so fun to learn with this app. Highly suggest getting this app if you are really wanting to learn how to play the guitar. Because I have a guitar and I don't know how to use it, so I've been using this app to get me on there and playing amazing, beautiful songs with the guitar. And then I also have Seesaw, which is like how I can connect with my teachers. So, and then I also have the Holy Bible, because you're gonna get some Jesus in your life. I'm reading some Bibles, which I like it for like the daily verse that you can add on here. I don't know if I put it on this phone yet. Yeah, I did. Like it's like it gives you like a daily verse of the day, which is so cool. And that's pretty much all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these unboxing videos, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't put a notification bell on. And yeah, bye!
We don't have to be ordinary. Make your best mistakes. 'Cause we don't have the time to be sorry. So baby, be the life of the party. I'm telling you to take your shot.